Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Neflaca Thermal printer. Now this printer is really amazing for printing out those shipping labels that we need every single moment, I feel like. So get ready for this amazing review. If you're new here, welcome! I'm Mimi Melly, the creator of CreateKingdomPlans. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get into this video. So let me tell you a little bit about this printer before we do the unboxing. This printer is a high-speed and high-resolution printer that helps you to print out 4 inches by 6 inch shipping labels. Now you could use this for your FedEx, your USPS, or even your Etsy shop, which I found super awesome. So as you can see, the box was already opened. My husband thought the package was for him. So when I tried to open it, you see that it's a little bit opened already, but you know, that's okay. We're just gonna pretend it wasn't opened already. I love how everything is packaged so well so that it keeps everything safe. So it comes with an adapter to connect it to your electricity. It comes with a little book of paper, printer paper, USB cord. It also comes with a CD-ROM in case you need that to install. Of course, it also does come with a USB to do the installation as well. And that's all that comes in the box. On the back of the printer, on your left side, you have the power switch and the place where you connect your AC adapter, and on the right you have the place where you connect your USB. And on top you see that's the installation via USB. So this is really great for those of you who do not use CD-ROM computers anymore, which I know most of us don't use. So that's really good that they have that. So definitely you're able to plug this into any device in order to install the installation drives. So let's go ahead and set up this thing. First, I'm going to go ahead and connect the AC adapter into my printer. And just in case you were wondering, this is what the sides look like. It has these little buttons right here that you push forward. That way you can open up the printer and correctly insert your paper. I'll show you that a little bit later. And now let's connect the USB cord. Super simple. It's pretty much a plug and go printer. Okay, so now let's go look at those directions. Even though I don't like reading the directions, we're gonna read them to see how exactly we insert this paper right here. Okay, so remember I was telling you about those buttons at the side? We're gonna press those forward to open up that printer. There you have it. Now it's opened. Now we're going to open the package containing all of our 4x6 printer labels. So what you want to do is unfold the top paper with the paper side up, and the backing is at the back, as you can see here. So you can see that there is a separation between the different papers. You're going to insert it from the back, lay it down, and close the top of the printer. I learned that it doesn't matter how exact it is or where it's placed. As soon as you turn on the printer, it's going to place itself in the correct position. That red light on top was indicating that it had no paper, and as soon as I turned it on, it had a blue light at the top. So everything is ready to go. So now let's install the drives on our computer. Today I'll be using my Mac desktop computer to install the drives. One thing to know about this printer is that you will need a place for the paper to sit at the back of your printer. So I'm just using this little wooden stand, and it has plenty of room to hold everything. It doesn't take up that much space at all. Okay, so this is just an empty USPS shipping label that I want to print. So you're going to go to File, Print, and set up your new device. So you're going to go to the printer, which is going to be a new device, and it should show up right away once you insert that USB. Now you're going to have to locate the drive. So we don't have it yet. We're going to have to install it using the USB that was given. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug in the drive, and immediately it'll show up on your desktop. I'm just going to put it in the center so you guys can see. I'm going to open it up, double click on that first folder, and select the installation that works for your computer. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to allow it to install completely. Wonderful, that took about 5 seconds. So now we're gonna go back to where we were printing, and we're gonna go ahead and select the Neflaca drive that we just installed. Here it is, got it. So now you just click next and allow it to do its thing, and now we can finally print. But first, the most important step, you have to set up your printer to print at a 4x6-inch label. I made this mistake and everything was messed up. So make sure that it is a 4x6 label that you are selecting. My goodness, this printer is super fast. They were not lying about that. So let's see what our label looks like. That first one was the mistake. So let's look at the good one. Look at that, it looks really good. Super happy with the results, and if you think that this is gonna be great for you, definitely check out the Neflaca Thermal printer. Some of the pros for me is how fast it works and how easy it is to install. It also has these little ridges at the edge where you can just easily pull up and rip off that sticker paper. It is super simple to add the paper in because it automatically adjusts even if you didn't put it correctly. I think that one of the negatives for me would be that you do need a little bit of space at the back, so you have to make sure that you have something to hold the paper at the back. But that's pretty much it. I absolutely love this thermal printer, and I hope you do too. As always, you guys, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.